And today we're going to make a potato dish. As you can see here, I have potatoes right here, and we're going to add some vegetables, broccoli. I'm going to add some kale. This is onions, red onions. This is tomatoes, and this is pepper. And we're going to use these spices today. This original red hot spice. And we're going to have onion powder. We're going to have onion powder, original red spice. We're going to have black pepper. And we're going to have this blend, seasoning blend, and of course salt. So let's start cutting we're gonna cut the potatoes first. Okay, so you might ask me why all these vegetables. Remember, my channel is all about cooking food that keeps you full so you don't get so hungry all day. So as a result, you will be able to maintain your weight or even lose weight. So the importance of this vegetable to this potato is because of the high fiber in this vegetable. Combined it with the potatoes is going to counteract the carbohydrate, and together it's going to make you full. In that case, you're not going to be able to eat a lot of the potatoes because the vegetables are all going to be in there. So that's the main purpose. So keep watching. I'm going to peel these potatoes. Cutting. I'm gonna cut it into a little bit big chunks. Chop the broccoli. Cut the onions. I have a story to tell you. I remember when I came to this country the first time, and with no help, and I have 4 children, and really didn't really know much about cooking. I cook, but not as I do today. So it really took me with the practice and cooking, taking care of the kids, taking them to school, going for errands, groceries, and all these experiences helped me in actually getting good in cooking. Now cooking is like second nature to me. I can get up and just think of what to cook. As you can see, this recipe right here is my original authentic recipe, and so I keep trying every recipe. I think about it, I try it. So, and it's been good. It's been very good so far, trying all these recipes. So just join me in this journey that I'm embarked on, cooking for y'all and trying or inventing different things. Okay, I have cooked this once. I said, okay, let me try it. It was a hit. Okay, let's cut the pepper. So when my children were very, very little, and I used to cook, and my family, they would not like my food at all. And that used to make me cry, like I would just struggle and cook the food and they would not like it. I took it as a challenge, and I said, okay, I'm going to start cooking a little more often and see what happens. That's how my passion for cooking started. And now when I cook, it's like, Mom, can I have some more? Mom, can I have some more? So really, really makes me happy to know that, and now I can really cook. So my point is, if you're somebody who actually struggles to cook, practice makes perfect. Now I'm not practicing anymore. I think of a recipe, I think of it, I write it down, and I said, okay, today I'm going to try it. And each time, maybe a few times, you will say, oh, it didn't come out right, and I'll tweak it and it will come out right. So if you're somebody who just keep practicing, and one day you'll be like, I didn't know I'll end up right here. All right, let's cut the kale. Let's cut the kale. Welcome here. If you're new to the channel and you're liking this, please subscribe. Thank you for being here. So today we're making this potato dish. This is my original recipe. It's my original recipe, so I thought about it and I tried it and it was a hit. I said, yeah, why not me share it with my YouTube family? So, and that's what I'm doing today. Now these are all the ingredients that we're gonna use today. You can see the seasonings over here. This, the potatoes right here, and this right here, tomatoes and the pepper, potatoes. This is the broccoli and the red onions, and this is the kale right here. So everything is all ready to go. All right. So, and I have one thing I'm going to show you. I'm not just going to add the vegetables. Let me show you how I'm going to prepare the vegetables. I'm going to put the kale inside this big plate. What I'm going to do before we prepare it, I'm going to add the seasonings in here and get it ready while the potatoes are cooking. And then I'll add some salt and mix everything together, and then I'll start cooking the potatoes. All right, time to start cooking. Let's add oil to the pot and let it warm up for a bit. We're using avocado oil today. Start by adding our onions, add a little salt, a little mixed seasoning to it, and a little black pepper, and stir. Alright, let's add the tomatoes. I'm gonna cook it for a minute. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and add our potatoes right now. Stir everything together. Cook it with this. We're going to cook this with the little sauce for a minute, and then before we add water to it, we're gonna cook the tomatoes for we're gonna cook the potatoes for about 12 minutes until it's soft. So we're gonna continue cooking. Actually, let me add some water right now. It has just a bit. So we're just gonna add just a little bit water to let it cook. Not too much water, because we don't want it to be really watery. So now it's soaking all the sauce, the seasonings in there. Add just a little bit of salt. As you can see, the potatoes are now tender, you can see. So we're gonna go ahead now and add the broccoli and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes because we don't want it to turn brown. Now we're gonna add the pepper. This is optional. Like I said, if you don't like spicy food, you don't have to put the spicy pepper. And then we'll add the veggies at the same time. Once the veggies are added, cook for a minute. I chopped it really small so it doesn't really need to cook that much. And if you're going to try this, be sure to prepare this vegetable the way you add some seasoning to it before the food is ready. So I'm going to add just a little bit more because now almost the water is done. I'm going to let it cook for about a minute or two and it's done. My authentic potato with veggies is ready. This is my original recipe, so try it and let me know what you think about it. It's very tasty, it's very healthy, and like I said, it's gonna fill you up. I purposely chose the kale. You can as well use spinach or any other green leafy vegetables, but this is perfect. Kale and broccoli. And that's it. Now our food is ready. Let's serve it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And please come back. I appreciate you. And please inform your friends and families to join this family. Like I said, this is my authentic recipe that I just prepared. I just say, let me just share my recipe with you. This is very healthy, it's very filling. So let me know what you think about this recipe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.